Houck this morning. Sherry Ballard, the mother of Crystal Rogers, as you can see there, walked just steps ahead of Nick Houck. Houck is the brother of Brooks Houck, who was convicted last summer of killing Rogers. And that conviction eventually led to a felony perjury charge against Nick Houck, who stood before the judge this morning. WHAS 11's Conrad DeLuche and photojournalist Jessica Farley take us inside the Nelson County Justice Center, which we learned will likely not be the venue for his trial.
We know when the judge wants this trial to get underway, sometime in November, but we still don't know where Nick Houck will face a jury.
This is 26 CR 187.
Right at 10 a.m., Nick Houck walked forward to stand before Judge Charles Sims. This was his third appearance since he was indicted on a felony perjury charge.
Have you all been able to discuss that or work out a change of venue location?
Houck is no stranger to courtrooms. He was a Bardstown police officer at the time of Crystal Rogers' disappearance. Brooks Houck, Nick's brother and Rogers' former boyfriend, was interviewed by police after she was reported missing, and so was Nick Houck.
The time has come for you to think real hard about the rest of your life. Okay. This is you. I'm not talking about Brooks or anybody else.
This 2015 interview is one of the dates identified as part of the perjury charge against Nick Houck, who is accused of lying under oath between 2015 and 2023.
Is there anything else we need to take up at this time?
This hearing was focused on changing the trial location to move it out of Nelson County.
I don't think there's any objection on behalf of the Commonwealth that the order be signed to change the venue.
Both sides have agreed to move the trial, but the new location has not been selected, and Judge Sims has already set the trial date for November 9th.
I'm trying to move the docket forward, and the only way I can do that is to have, if you all can agree, is to try to find a place, and again, I have to work around other judges' schedules in other counties, so it gets a little complicated.
By the next court date, Judge Sims says both sides either need to agree on a new location for a fair trial or to present 10 counties each, and the judge will pick from that list. This hearing only lasted about 3 minutes. The next hearing is on August 28th here in Nelson County. When we asked Sherry Ballard if she had any comment, she politely declined. In Nelson County, Conrad DeLuche, WHAS 11, on your side.
Now, you may recall the trials of the men charged with killing Crystal Rogers. Brooks Houck, Stephen Lawson, and Joseph Lawson were all moved to Warren County last summer. All three men were convicted for their crimes, and they have all appealed.